Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to build a Shopify website. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open shopify.com, and if you have an account, then you can log in into your account by clicking here, or you can start a 14-day free trial by giving here your email address. And then click on 14-day free trial and give a password here and click on create your store. Now fill up these 3 options here and click on next. And add your address in this form. Give your first name, last name, address, city, postal code, and enter your phone number here. And if you have any business or personal website, then you can attach here. And then click on enter my store. So here we can see I've successfully created a store on Shopify. Click on customize theme and now click on customize theme. And now you can use any free themes by clicking on explore free themes. And now I'm going to selecting this one and then click on add to theme library. So here we can see the theme is installing and it may take some time to finish the installation process. Here you can see the theme has been added, and click on actions, and from here click on publish. And to see your website or store, click on this little eye icon. And here you can see I have successfully created a Shopify website, and now you can edit your theme by clicking on customize. And you can select or change anything you want from this theme. And now go to home, and you can add product by clicking here. You can customize your theme by clicking here. You can add pages from here. Also you can add your domain by clicking here. You can set accept payments option. You can set shipping rates here. So this is how we can create Shopify website. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.